Morning everyone. I had one of those nights last night where I couldn't get to sleep because I was thinking I want to make a kit for you guys to be able to receive at home and give yourself a little facial. Because I thought, or a lot of people are in lockdown and can't get into the salon. So I thought, what can I do and what can I put in this kit for you guys to get the maximum benefit at home. So I'm going to make these little kits up. I have a couple of products in there. So the first one is going to be our Balance Cleanser. All skins can use the Balance Cleanser. It's not drying. You can use it over the eyes as well. It won't irritate your eyelids. So first step is that you'll do the Balance Cleanser. And then I thought, I'm going to let you guys try and be part of the process that we go through when we're creating products. So I am in the middle of creating this enzyme mask, which I'll show you here. And I'm not going to tell you what the ingredients are just yet, besides it's got enzymes in there and some lactic acid, because I'm going to keep that for a secret for when we actually do release the product for purchase. But all skins can use this. I did it 2 nights ago. I didn't have any irritation at all, and I feel like my skin's really soft and supple, and I really quite like it so far. So far, so good. So I popped that on for about, I think I left on for about 10 minutes. It did dry. I wet my fingers again, and then I massaged the product in just to reactivate it. I didn't have any redness. I didn't have any tingling. So basically enzymes we put on the skin to digest and eat all of the dead keratin on the surface. It's a really great way of exfoliating the skin without over exfoliating and causing breakouts. I tend to break out if the product has like glycolic acid in there, or the acids are really, really high. So we've gone for enzymes and using a decent percentage of that as well. So you pop your enzyme mask on, leave it on for 10 minutes, take it off. And then I thought the platinum peptide mask would be another great product for you guys to do as part of your home facial. Pop it on. You probably get about maybe 2 goes, probably stretching for 3, but you get 2 goes out of this little tube. And this has 8 peptides in there, which have all of the amino acids that the skin needs to create new collagen. So it's regenerating, reviving, hydrating. It's really, really hydrating, and it's got niacinamide, which is vitamin B3 in there, which is fantastic for brightening and soothing and calming. So anybody with rosacea, you could actually use all of these products. Anyone with acne, you could also use all of these products. Okay, so then you'd take off the platinum peptide mask, leave it on for about 10 minutes. You can leave it on 30 minutes if you like, and then remove that. And then, last but not least, this is another product that we actually have in manufacture at the moment, which I'm really excited about, because it's a facial oil that all skins can use, even oily skins. It helps to rebalance the oil in the skin, and it won't cause breakouts, which I really like. I'm not going to tell you what's in it, but there are some amazing core ingredients in here, which I can't wait to ramble on about as soon as we get this product released. It is toxin-free, vegan-friendly. There's no added scent at all. We're not even using essential oils. I just want raw, pure plant medicine product. So this one here, the oil, you would probably get maybe, I don't know, you probably get 5 goes out of this little jar. Pop it on your fingers, or actually you'd warm it up between your hands. And I'm going to do a little video another time and show you how I do my facial massage at home. But just rub it in and give yourself a little massage and push everything up at the sides. Get the blood flowing, get your skin nice and pink. Because when you increase the blood flow, you're increasing the absorption of your product. You're creating that oxygenation in the skin and transport of nutrients and getting rid of the toxins, lymphatic drainage, sweeping movements down to your collarbone as well. So finish off with giving yourself a little self-care, self-love massage with our new product, which I'm hoping is about 6 weeks away. So you'll get 4 products in the kit. I had to jump on and just tell you about it. We haven't even put it on the website yet, but I will put a link up really, really soon on our feed in social with a link to purchase. But I'm hoping that will be ready this afternoon. So it's a cool little kit for you guys to do at home, a little self-care, self-love facial. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do try it, please let me know how you get on. I'd love to know your feedback, because that's how we keep creating amazing products for you guys. I hope you're all keeping well. Take care.